Okay, in this video, I want to show you guys how to use your calculator to find approximate double time, exact double time, and then how to find a formula to set up to find a new value given an initial price and a growth rate. So in this problem, it says, which is similar to one of your homework questions, inflation is causing prices to rise at a rate of 10% per year. The initial price is $300. So the first question is find the approximate double time. What that means is if it grows 10% every year starting at $300, approximately how long will it take to double the amount? Approximately how long will it take to get to $600 if it starts at $300? So the formula for approximating double time is you take 70 divided by P, where P is your percentage that it's growing. So I'm going to take 70 divided by 10, which gives me 7 years. So in approximately 7 years, this 300 is going to grow to 600. Now this is only an approximation. If I want to find the exact double time, we have to use logarithms. The formula is to take the log of 2, divide by the log of 1 plus r, where r is your growth rate. In this case, it's the 10%. So I'm going to take the log of 2 divided by log of 1.10. This 1.10 comes from the fact that I have 1 plus r. So that's 1 plus, if I write 10% in the decimal, that's 0.10. And so 1 plus 0.10 is 1.10. So to put this in the calculator, I'm going to hit my button right here that says log. I'm going to hit log 2. If your parentheses gives you, if your calculator gives you open parentheses, be sure to close it. Then I'm going to divide by log of 1.10, close parentheses, and I hit enter. And it gives me 7.2725, etc. We're going to round to 2 decimal places, so we're going to say 7.27. So this gives us an approximate time of 7 years, and then the exact time we use the log formula. Now, to find out what the price is in 4 years, if it's growing every year at 10%, we use this formula. To find my new value, I take my initial value times 2 to the power of the number of years we're talking about, and then our double time. This is our double time. And this is the number of years. So in this case, since our initial value is 300, I'm going to take 300 times 2 to the power of 4 divided by 7.27, 4 because we're asking about what the price will be in 4 years. And the 7.27 is because that was our exact doubling time. So to put this in the calculator, see if I can line it up here so you can see everything at once. I'm going to hit 300 times 2, and then to make it to the power of, I use this little caret symbol right here. It looks like a little arrow pointing up. And then in parentheses, I'm going to put 4 divided by the 7.27. And then I close my parentheses. I have to make sure that I put that exponent in parentheses or it's not going to work. So I take my initial value, which is 300, times 2. This little arrow that's called a caret stands for to the power of. And then in parentheses, I put my years divided by my double time, and I hit enter. And it gives me 439.288, but we're going to round to 2 decimal places since we're talking about dollar and cents, and we're going to say 439.29.